Hey folks, today we'll talk about our dplyr. Dplyr is a powerful R package for efficient data manipulation, making filtering, summarizing, and transforming data easier while enhancing code readability.
There are two main ways to install dplyr into the notebook you are working upon. The easiest way would be to install tidyverse, which installs many R packages, including dplyr, or you could simply install dplyr instead.
So let us look at some of the key features of dplyr. Dplyr provides a set of core features and functions, often referred to as verbs, which perform fundamental data manipulation tasks. So this is the dataset we'll be using called mtcars, which is a preloaded dataset that comes with R to work on a few examples. The first tool that I'll be showing is called filter, which is used to extract columns or rows and can be done with some additional specifications. Here are a few examples which I've given. We move on now to the mutate tool. This tool can be used for adding new columns or modifying existing ones. I've given a few examples for that as well. Next, we move on to the arrange tool, which is used to sort. And when you want to sort data set with multi-parameter, you can also use arrange for that. Let us move on to the summarize tool. This tool is used for basic statistic information like mean, max, and minimum of a data set. Now, let us move on to some of the advanced dplyr functions. The first advanced dplyr function I'll be talking about is group by, which is pretty obvious and is used to group data in a dataset via a particular parameter. Next, we move on to joining operations, which includes all kind of joins to combine multiple datasets. Next, onto window functions, which have more specific tools to apply stuff like rank and cumulative sums. The next tool is called across. This tool is used to apply the same operation on multiple columns in a dataset. Case 1. Case 1 is a Boolean evaluating function when you need to extract data with some complex parameters and conditions. Last but not the least, as we know that most data sets have a lot of missing values, dplyr also provides a set of tools to handle all these missing values.
Let us understand advanced dplyr functions using some examples. We will be using this dataset here, which contains randomly generated NA values, which we will be handling later. First off, we have group by function with summarize function. Group by function groups the data by one or more columns for aggregation, and summarize function computes summary statistics on group data. We will be analyzing average salary and performance by department. So first off, we are grouping by department, and then we are summarizing everything by average salary and average performance. As you can see, we have department column here which contains all the 4 departments, and we have computed their average salary and average performance. Moving on, we have across function which applies functions to multiple columns at once within summarize or mutate function. So we will apply mean, median, and max across numeric columns which are salary and performance scores. As you can see, we have department column here and we have computed average salary, median salary, and maximum salary. Similarly for performance score as well. Moving on, we have case 1 function which creates new categorical variables based on conditions, which is similar to if-else. We will create a new column categorizing employees based on their performance. The new column is called performance category, and we have applied conditions across performance score. As you can see, we have a new category which has calculated based on the performance score of different employees here. Lastly, we will be handling missing values. So we will replace missing salaries with the median salaries of the department. Again, we are grouping by department, and then we are mutating salary columns by replacing all the NA salary values with the median salary. As you can see, all the NA values in the salary column are replaced by the median salary of the department.
Our dplyr is a syntax-friendly interface, and its performance-optimized functions make it the go-to option for data analysts and researchers from diverse fields. It improves efficiency, streamlines data handling, and makes working with complex data easy. From academic research to industrial use, it is an invaluable asset for anyone working with structured data in R.